just installed this illuminated switch in my closet. I decided to make this video because I found it very difficult to find one on the net for an example. So I bought the one that has a white flicking thingy. I'll show you one. This is the one I replaced. So this is white and not see-through or transparent, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So the light actually does not work, or I mean the light's not on when the switch is on. So I'm going to turn it off. It's going to go really dark and we'll see what it looks like. As I was saying, you can see clearly that the light is on right now. I mean the illumination feature is on right now. When I flick the switch on, the illumination feature goes off, and just trying to darken a little bit to demonstrate that it doesn't really illumination goes off when the switch is turned on. There you go. Yep, I'm making a video of a light switch being turned on and turned off. And this I purchased from Lowe's. That's the, what's the make? Hubble or Hubble, I guess. Residential light toggle, I think it says. Lighted toggle switch. And there's a little symbol here, I think, that indicates that maybe it's illuminated. There's some instructions inside. That's the instructions. This is 15 amps, 120 volts. The reverse side of it, this is the single pole model that I installed. Here it is once again. Thanks for watching.